Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile 757. Now I get down, I get straight to the point, working on a customer's AC. It seems that his power going to the AC plug is bad. So what I did is I zip tied, there's the plug right there, and I zip tied them together. And that way it saves the customer a lot of time and energy and effort. And it can sit there until the next repairs, or the customer decides to get it fixed. But today we need to get this air conditioner running. It's 104 degrees outside, and not going to have this family out here and burning up because of a stupid plug that they have to wait for Ford to actually order it and get it in. This is just a mechanic tip. I look out for my customers. I care about them. They are people just like I am. If you like this videos, please like, subscribe, and share. And again, any power plugs that are plugs in your car that are falling apart, if you could zip tie them together, just do that until you get it repaired. Thank you.